Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take our NFT contract and create a free share-to-earn referral system using the Wobble share-to-earn referral protocol. A prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have a third web NFT contract. If you don't have one of those, then click on the link in the description because my previous video covered that. But if you have one that you've already deployed, that's fine too. As long as it's a third web NFT contract, you're good to go. You should see a page like this on your third web dashboard if that's the case. This is the tutorial we're going to be following. It's on the Wobble docs, which I'll also share in the description if you want to go through it in more detail. But yeah, the only requirement is that you have that contract ready to go. And the benefit of having this referral system is that you can share the links with anyone. So if a member of your community wants to earn a bit of ETH, they can create a referral link using this system and share it with their friends. And then if their friend mints using their link, they get some instant on-chain currency sent to them straight away. There's no waiting, there's no setup. Once you've installed this, it's ready to go. There's no cost to you as the collection owner. So let's get started. Step one is to add an Allowlist entry for the Wobble share-to-earn protocol contract. So if we go back to third web, you'll see your overview page. What we want to do is click on the claim conditions page. Because what we're going to do is we're going to add the Wobble share-to-earn protocol as a Allowlist entry, basically meaning that anyone that clicks and mints using the Wobble protocol will be given certain conditions. And I'll show you what those conditions are now. I'm going to remove this existing claim condition so that we have an empty claim condition set. I advise you do the same so that we can start with a blank slate. And then click Add Phase in the bottom here and Public with Allowlist. And this means that anyone can mint, it's a public sale, but anyone on the Allowlist can mint with special conditions. And that's how we're going to control our referral protocol. So you can fill out the name and when this phase will start, but I'm going to leave that as the default, and I'm going to leave it as unlimited. So anyone that mints on the public phase can mint as many NFTs as they want. And I'm going to say the public can mint it for 0.1, just as an example. You can change that to whatever you want. And then I'm going to say you can mint 100 NFTs. It doesn't matter what you put here, but just make sure it's an actual number and not unlimited, because we need it to be a specific number in this case for the snapshot. And the final step is to edit claim a snapshot, and you'll see that third web allows you to upload a snapshot, which is just a list of addresses. We want the third option here. You'll see there's 3 example snapshots. We want the third example snapshot because that allows us to edit the price. And I'll show you what I mean if we download this snapshot. I've already opened this in Google Drive, but this allows you to edit the price that a specific address pays when they mint your collection. In this example, I'm going to delete this row because we only need 1 row. And I'm also going to delete the currency address and the max claimable because we're not going to change that. That's just going to inherit from the public sale. So this is going to stay blank. The things we do want to change are the price. So I want everyone that mints through a referral link to actually pay 0.04 because they're going to be paying the mint price, 0.04, plus the referrer fee, which we'll set in a second. So we want this to be still a discount, even though they're minting with the referral fee as well. We want it to be significantly lower so they're getting a discount. The referrer is getting their referral fee. Everybody's happy. It's good to have a discount on the minter side as well because that's an incentive for the minter to mint. So there's an incentive for the minter to mint with a discount. The referrer has generated their link and they can say, use my link to get whatever, 10% off, 20% off. And it just drives mints and allows you to sell out much quicker. And the final step is to replace this address. So to get the address, go back to the guide and click the top here, Wobble protocol contract addresses. I'm going to open this in a new tab and we're using Optimism. So I'm going to copy this address. You want to copy the address that's relevant to the chain your NFT contract is on. If you can't find your chain, then please get in touch, and I will make sure that your chain is supported next. So we've copied the contract address. This is the protocol contract that handles the referral fee on chain very smoothly. We will go back to our snapshot and we replace the address with the referral address, and then we're good to download as a CSV file. And once that's downloaded, we'll go back to our contract and we will upload this to ThirdWeb, the CSV file we've just downloaded. And once that's uploaded to ThirdWeb, you'll see we've got our protocol address, we're inheriting the max claimable, which I set to 100. The price is a discounted 0.04 and the currency address is default. If you want to play with allowing people to mint in other currencies, other ERC20 tokens, you can do. I'm just going to stick with ETH because it's simpler. And then click next. And you'll see that this is now, we've got one address in the snapshot. Click Save Phases and you'll be asked to sign a transaction in your wallet. If you're on a layer 2 like I am, Optimism, it'll be a very small gas fee. If you're on the mainnet, it might be a few dollars, but this is a one-time payment and you won't have to pay this every time somebody mints. And then once that's saved, your setup on the contract side, that's all done. The next step, if we go back to our guide, is to step 2, visit the Mintboss Mint page. And this is where you set up your links. You can see that the link structure looks like this. We've got mintboss.xyz, and then we've got the contract address, and we've got the chain. So the contract address is the address of your NFT smart contract, and the chain name is just whatever chain you've deployed on. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to open it in a browser, and then I'm going to also copy the contract address from my NFT contract. I'm going to replace the NFT contract address with my actual contract address, and then also Optimism is our chain. So I'll put that where it says chain equals, and we'll go to that page. If you've got a collection image like I have, then it will load that automatically. It loads the collection name, and once you've connected your wallet, it will let you mint from the collection. This is where you can generate referral links, Share-2-Earn referral links. So I'll click on that as an example. Because my wallet is connected, that's my address, and this is the fee percentage. So if I leave this at 3, then every time somebody mints using my link, it will pay me 3%. But you can change this if you want to earn 5% for every mint. That will automatically send you 5% of the mint price on chain. Obviously, the higher you put this, the more the minter will be paying. So bear that in mind. But once you've updated that, you'll see that you've got your link, and you'll be able to copy that to your dashboard by clicking this link, and then paste that in a browser. And then once that page loads, you'll be able to see a fee breakdown, and this includes the base cost, which is what we set the original NFT price at for referral mints, the referrer fee, which is our percentage on top of that. There's a small platform fee, which goes to Wobble, and then the total mint amount, which is what the user will pay when they mint the NFT. And that's it. Every time you share this link, and every time somebody mints with this link, you'll get the referrer bonus, and that'll be on chain instantaneously. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Drop a comment or connect with us on Twitter or X. And yeah, give us any feedback. Let us know what you're using it for. We do some promotions for some NFTs. So if you're using this on your project, do let us know, and we will see what we can do to help out and get you minted out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.